For years we were taught about things like the Pythagorean theorem and whatever this is. And let's be real, you've probably seen this visual at some point in your life.
But the education system never really taught you anything useful like personal finance.
So let's skip the complicated stuff and get straight to it. Here are 5 reasons you should start investing right now. First, you need to get your money to start working for yourself. Inflation is like a big fat gremlin that keeps eating away at your money's purchasing power. So you need to have your money growing so that you can at least beat inflation. Second, you're too busy to be a day trader. And plus, you're probably gonna lose money doing that. You've got a life and a job and a million other things to do. So that's what this channel's about. So please hit the like button and subscribe so that you can learn all the easy tricks. You don't want to work forever. You don't want to work forever. Nobody wants to work forever. I don't care who you are. Nobody wants to work forever. So if you start to make more money off of your own money, then you can have the ability to not work in the future. Another reason, you probably want more money. That's part of why you work. The world costs a lot. So why not make more money off of the money that you have? Investing is the most reliable way to get it without winning the lottery. Imagine leaving your kids with more than just good memories. Imagine actually leaving them something that they can use in the future so that maybe they don't have to work all the time. The best way to invest is to set it and forget it. Automate all of your investments right now. So to be clear, the best time to start was yesterday, and the next best time to start is right now. I'm Racky Ryan, I'm back, and I'm ready to help you with this.